So hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your Spotlight videos go from submitted to live instantly. So first of all, you will need to create a public profile on Snapchat. Like here, I created my public profile. You can edit the profile photo and bio later. Now the live instantly, you need to have a parallel Snapchat also. You can create a parallel Snapchat using any parallel app you can download from Play Store or App Store. Like here I created two Snapchats, one original one and one parallel one. And I created two accounts using two of my contact numbers. Now we will open the Snapchat account where we wanna make our video go live and select a video from camera roll. Like here I am selecting a video. Add any caption. Picture. Now you can add up to 100 hashtags on Spotlight, but we should add only 5 or 6 because we don't need to spam our video with hashtags because the hashtag shows relevancy of the video. So I'm adding funny videos, memes, Spotlight, trending, etc. So now you can see I submitted my video to the Snapchat Spotlight. Now I want to make it go live instantly. So I'll share this video with my another account. And then we'll open from another account. I'll open and watch it completely and like it. Now if we will go back to our account from where we shared our Spotlight, now you can see it is live instantly and viewers can watch your video now. So this is how you can make your videos go live instantly on Spotlight. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.